Experiencing a frozen or black screen or no audio in your Tata Nexon EV's infotainment system? You're not alone. These issues commonly stem from software glitches rather than hardware failures. The Tata Nexon EV features a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system running Android-based software integrated with the vehicle's CAN bus. Common issues include frozen or black screens, often from memory leaks or app conflicts, and no audio, typically from Bluetooth pairing failures or audio codec errors. To troubleshoot, first ensure your software is up to date via OTA updates, like version 2.1 from August 2025, available through the Tata EV app. If that doesn't work, try a soft reset by pressing the power and volume buttons for 10 seconds to clear temporary cache. For more persistent problems, perform a hard reset by disconnecting the 12-volt battery for 5 minutes, though this will wipe user data. If software updates and resets don't work, consider hardware dependencies as the root cause. The 12-volt auxiliary battery can cause blackouts if voltage is low. Audio output depends on the head unit's amplifier and speaker wiring. If software updates or resets do not help, a visit to the dealer may be required. Looking ahead, AI-driven diagnostics are on the rise, incorporating machine learning to predict and auto-fix glitches. Future Nexon models are expected to feature larger screens and 5G connectivity for real-time troubleshooting. By 2027, experts predict most infotainment issues will be resolvable via app-based diagnostics. Keeping your system updated and avoiding simultaneous app usage during charging can prevent many problems. For persistent issues, check community forums for insights and share your experiences.